Introduce highlight features or overview summary for EJYTRVT Solar RV Porch Light. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Easy to install. Our RV porch light are incredibly easy to install. Use the strong magnetic strips included in the package to attach them to the metal exterior of your RV without any drilling required. This allows you the flexibility to adjust the lighting position according to your preference. Additionally, the package includes 2 motion sensor lights, 2 magnetic strips with adhesive backing, and 2 sets of screws, if you prefer a more secure installation method. We provide all the necessary items for a fast and stress-free installation. IP65 waterproof. These camper lights for outside are built to endure different weather conditions as they're made of robust ABS material and have an IP65 waterproof rating. They are ideal for illuminating your camper, trailer, RV porch, RV outdoor, RV garden, yard, garage, driveways, front doors, patio, fence, and more, all year round. 3 modes motion sensor outdoor lights. EJYTRVT RV exterior lights provide 3 lighting modes. 1. High light sensor mode turns off if no motion is detected for 15 seconds. 2. Dim light to high light sensor mode switches to dim light if no motion is detected for 15 seconds. 3. Normally on mode stays at medium light throughout the night. You can easily change the modes by covering the solar panel with your hand and pressing the small white switch button. Larger coverage lighting. Illuminate an extensive 270 degrees angle with 100 LED lights that deliver exceptional brightness. These RV lights exterior are equipped with a highly sensitive RIP motion sensor that triggers illumination within a range of up to 16.4 feet, or 5 meter, ensuring prompt lighting when required. Efficient solar panels. Using silicon solar panels with a 20.5% conversion rate, these solar RV outdoor lights store 15% more electricity than comparable products within the same daylight period. Charge for 8 hours in the sun during the day and enjoy illumination at night when motion is detected. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe. Press the bell and select all, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.